Hello, I'm Alex from MovinsEdition. I'll introduce an Adidas Adizero Feather Professional item from the MovinsEdition Indoor Shoes series. It's a new product owned only by MovinsEdition, and it's Adizero Feather Pro Indoor Shoes with optimal performances such as non-marking, Adiprene, and Adidus. Adiprene cushioning enhances comfort. Adidas Aditough is a technology optimized to handle the rigors of sports like tennis and handball. It consists of an abrasion-resistant material that greatly improves the durability of the shoe's outsole. This is critical in sports that require a lot of lateral movement. Aditough prevents abrasions of the fingers, a new, hard-to-find product optimized for Indian sports that can be enjoyed regardless of fine dust or wear. Enjoy Adizero Feather Pro at MovinsEdition. Adidas Adizero series provides optimal lightness, optimal performance including non-marking, Adiprene, and Adidus features with high resilience and elasticity. A collection of Adidas's technical skills. In indoor shoes, outsole non-marking is more basic than anything else. Even anti-twisting techniques. Adidus with durable material. Apply sprint web technology that minimizes weight using rigid, thin materials. This is the new product that MovinsEdition has only one. Adizero Feather Pro Indoor Shoes with optimal performances such as non-marking, Adiprene, and Adidus. Adidas Adizero Feather Pro is a new product that is hard to find. Bye.